Hello, my dear friends. Thank you for coming by. If you find my videos interesting, please consider to subscribe to the channel. And if you do that, you're very welcome to the club. This is the first video in a series that I planned for a while ago. But let me introduce myself first. My name is Julie and I love to crochet. I have a Facebook page where I'm sharing all the models that I create, and I have written some instructions for those models, and they are posted there on Facebook. And recently I started making video tutorials too, that are you can find them here on YouTube. The idea behind this crochet for absolute beginners series is to help everybody who wants to make the models that I created, make them. So if you never put a crochet hook in your hand, I want to help you make those models after watching this series of videos. I'm going to try to teach you all the stitches that I used and everything that I know. Now I don't know how well I can organize this stuff since I never taught before. But I'm going to give to do my best, and we will see. Okay, that being said, I think it's time to start crocheting. So what I have here, I have a crochet hook that is number 4.5. I chose a little bit bigger crochet hook than what I normally use. My favorite is 3.5. But because I want the video to be clear and for you to see well what I'm doing here, I choose a bigger size. And I put here, I brought here some scrap yarn that I have around. And my intention is to make a scarf with all the stitches that I'm going to teach you. So in the end of this series, I want to have something that I can wear too. So and we will see if it's going to be nice or not, but I'm planning to show you models, every stitch on the same project. So I'm going to start with the basic stitch, the single crochet. We are going to train like 10-15 rows in this stitch, and then my idea is to change the yarn to take another color and to go teach the next stitch, the half double crochet, for example, in another color, and adding like this the different stitches. I want to have in the end a scarf in different colors. Yeah, if you want to do the same, you are very welcome to do, and like me, or you can just train on every stitch on separate little projects. Now, so let me present the hook for you and the yarn. So how to start a project, starting a project. So the hook, there are two ways of holding the hook. This is called the knife and or the pencil. Some people are crocheting like this. You are going to see I can't do that. I'm holding the hook like a knife. That means like this. So just imagine you're cutting something. Take the hook like this in your hand, and then you have the yarn, and you just make like this. Put it like this. Then insert the hook from here and then holding it here, just grab this yarn and pass it through, okay, and then pull here, and now you have a knot here. This is the knot. And now after you do the knot, we are going to chain. In order to have a reasonable wide scarf, I'm going to put, let's put 20, make it 20, a chain of 20, to see how wide it is and if it's good enough for a scarf. So you have the thread here, so you take it, you have a few times wrapped on this finger, then with the hook you just go under the yarn here and grab it and pass it through this. This is a chain. Then go again under, grab it, chain 2, chain 3, go here, grab it, bring it, go here, grab it, bring it. Okay, and I didn't count my stitches, but it's okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you again, and of course you can repeat this section if you, or yeah, you can just play it slower or whatever, but I'm going to show you one more time. So grab it, you put it like under and grab it and pull it through. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make 20. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. No, let's make like 25. No, 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What do you think? Let's make 35. I feel like it needs to be a little bit. It's still a little bit too. Let's make 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now we have 40 stitches. I think it's good enough for a scarf. But you can put how many you want. Okay, so this is the first lesson, how to make the knot here in the beginning, and how to put the base, the chain, how to make the chain. Okay, so now let's start the first row. So we are going to start this stitch that we are going to learn today is called the single crochet. It's the most basic, I think, in the crochet. So, and this means you have all these stitches. You are going to come in with the hook in between these two, in here. Okay, just go through and then grab the same way you grab from under. You grab the thread and you pull it through this one loop, and then again put the hook under here, grab the wire and pull it here. Okay, first single crochet. We go to the next one. Here you see you have here the next stitch, so you just go in. Oh, I forgot to tell you, if you want to make this chain quite loose, to not tighten them too much, because the first row it can be a little bit difficult to put in the hook. So let me show again. So this would be the next stitch. You just put it in and then go with the hook under the wire, grab it and pull it through the first one, and then again, and you have the second single crochet, and then again, if you can see, this is the next stitch. In with the hook, pull the thread through, and then again, and pull it again through. So right now we have 3 single crochets here. Let me guide you through the 4th one. So this would be the next stitch. You see, you put it in, then grab the wire. Okay, so now I'm going to go a little bit fast forward, and when I reach the end, I'm going to show you how to make how to turn and where is the first stitch of the row, because sometimes we can miss the last or the first stitch of the row, and then the edges of the work are not straight. So I'm going to go a little bit faster here, and then I'm going to give you a little bit more explanation in the end of the row. I didn't count them, but I think it would be very good when you start crocheting to try to count your stitches. So if you're not sure which is the last or the first crochet, at least make sure that you have the same amount of stitches in each row. So that's why it's good to count them. And then if you train a lot, then you are going to know, to feel already which is the last stitch. But counting helps a lot. Or people are using stitch markers to mark where is the last or the first stitch. Okay, I'm getting close to the end of the row. And another maybe good tips would be, when you start a project, if you want to the first row to be easy to make, you can make the chain with a bigger hook size. I mean, if you want to make the project with a hook size number 3, try to put the chain, to make the chain with a 3.5, a little bit bigger, because then it's going to be very easy to make the first row if you have a smaller size of a sized hook. Okay, so I'm here. This would be the last stitch in my row. So I'm just going in like this, and then, okay, so I am on the last. Now, what I'm doing here in the end of the row, I'm making chain 1. So I just chain 1, and then I turn the work, and my work looks like this. Okay, we did a pretty good job. Now the first single crochet in this row is the first stitch in this row is this one. Okay, this one. So you put inside here, and you do the same single crochet, pull it 1 time, and then again go under and pull it, and you have the first single crochet of the second row. Go again. You can see the stitches here. You see where you should go in these little holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So next one, exactly the same thing. Go in, pull out here, and so in, and then go under, and like this. Okay, let me go a little bit faster, because right now I can't edit my videos, and I need to make a video in I can't cut and paste them for the being moment. So I'm going to be able to do that, but because now I just need to do this video in one shot, so I'm going to stay with you until I reach the end of this row, and there I think you would need a little bit more help to see which one is the last, and again how you turn, and where is the first of the next row again. And then I think you can train on this. Sorry. I would recommend to do at least 10 rows, 10, 15, or I don't know, maybe 20. The more you do, the more you train, the easier it gets. Some stuff that I think you need to be a little bit careful of the tension in the wire. Don't pull it too much to not get too tight, and yeah, not too loose. But I think it's worse if you have it if the tension is too big, if it's too tight. If it's too loose, it's not such a big problem. But if you have too big tension, then it's difficult to. Okay, so now we are at the end of this row, and we have one more hole and this one too. So you are going to put here too. Don't miss this one. Many times, at least the beginners, they are missing this last row, and the edges are going a little bit wrong, and then it's not good. But if you don't know, or if you're not sure is this the last stitch or not, just count them. So if this is the 39th, so this should come here. Okay, so just count them, and then everything will be okay. So just count them. I reached the end of the second row, and now I'm going to chain one and turn the work, and it looks pretty good. And again, when you start the row, make sure you put it so you see which one is the first. Okay, it's this one here, exactly at the base of this. So here you have a single crochet. This is the first single crochet. If you know exactly, if you understand exactly where is the first single crochet coming, then you don't have issues at the end because you count them. Okay, so we are going to put 40 more single crochet in here. I did my first. I'm going to show you again one more, just because I enjoy being with you. It's because anyway you can take it, put it on repeat, pause and everything, but I really enjoy being with you, so I'm going to crochet a little bit more with you. So go under, and oh no, I did something wrong. Okay, I got distracted. So go inside, pull it one time, and then again under and out, in, you see here, in, and like this, and go the whole way. Don't worry if it's not going fast. I have many years of crocheting, so it's okay if it's and again, don't worry if they are not even. If one is a little bit bigger, one is smaller, it doesn't matter. You just train on it, and yeah. But if you can do this, you already know how to crochet, because there are many models there are many stuff that you can do just with a single crochet. And I am planning to show you, to make another video. The next video is going to be about something that you can make just knowing this basic stitch, the single crochet, the chain and single crochet. I actually recently made a headband and I'm going to show you how to do that using this first stitch. So congratulations, you already know how to crochet, and you can make your first you can make something with what you learned today. So even if you want to make a scarf, you can make a scarf like this. So make 100, 200 rows like this, then you just put some fringes here and you have a nice crocheted scarf. Okay, I think this is all for today. Now you just need to train a lot, make like 2-3 thousandths of the single crochet, and then we are going to take the next step. I'm going to do some more rows too by myself, because I want to have a scarf too, and then we can share pictures with our first projects. Okay, I think this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I would like to remind you again, if you like the videos, if you think they are useful, if you want to see more videos and encourage me to do this stuff, please subscribe. Have a very, very nice day. Happy crocheting and congratulations. Now you are a crocheter. Have a good day.